Why people lose money in stock markets? There is a lot of knowledge available all over the world, but still people losing money in stock market. According to me, there are four predominant reasons for this. One, they don't understand the business of stock markets. And number two, they are not able to pick the right stocks for investments. And number three, right entries and exits. So they are not able to enter at the right prices and they are not able to exit at the right prices. And finally, and most important, is discipline and trading psychology. If you don't have this proper discipline and trading psychology, you may end up losing money in stock markets. To address this, all four issues, we came out with a mentorship program with 360 degrees approach towards the subject. And this program is continuously being conducted and thousands of people have done this course. So myself, I am Prasad Dasari from Wealth Tree Group, having experience of more than 25 years in training and research in stock markets, offering this course. Do you want to know more about this course? Please contact us and then you can start your learning journey in stock markets. Thank you.